Excel is where my entire data analyst journey started. If you want to become a data analyst in 2026, you must know these top 10 Excel skills. Trust me, I have lived this. Hey everyone, I'm Pritam and I work as a data analyst at UST. Now, let's jump straight into the skills. Skill number 1, sorting and filtering tables. This is the very first thing I learned in my first job. Sorting, filtering Excel tables. If you learn nothing else, at least learn these well. Skill number 2, VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. This changed everything for me. Earlier, I used to manually search for values. Then I discovered VLOOKUP and later on XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP is way more powerful than VLOOKUP. If you want to merge two data sets, then this is your best friend. Also, most asked question is XLOOKUP. Skill number 3 is pivot tables. When I saw pivot table for the first time, I was like, bhai, ye kya magic hai? Drag and drop and your full analysis is ready. Every data analyst must master pivot tables. Skill number 4, conditional formatting. This is something I use daily. Highlight delays, low stock, cost issues, and many more. It helps you tell a story instantly. Skill number 5, data cleaning functions. Most of the data is dirty. These functions will save your life. Functions like left, right, mid, trim, proper, text, and concat. These functions helps you clean the data before sending it to Power BI for visualization. Skill number 6, if and nested if. Every data analyst uses if daily. I use it to categorize data, apply logics, and automate decisions. Simple example, if sales is greater than 100, show good, or else needs improvement. Skill number 7, index plus match function. This one makes you feel like a pro. After learning this, I stopped using VLOOKUP for many things. With index plus match function, you can pull any values from anywhere. And please note, this is one of the most asked interview question. Skill number 8, charts. Please don't overcomplicate charts. Simple line, bar and column charts solve most of the problem. Even in professional dashboards, please use clean charts only. Remember, we are trying to explain a data through visualization. So no fancy stuff. The simpler, the better. Skill number 9, remove duplicates and data validation. So here in one click, you can clean your entire data set. Also, data validation helps prevent wrong entries to the data. And this is a very super useful skill for an analyst. Skill number 10, basic shortcuts. Excel shortcuts are lifesavers for every data analyst. They don't just save time, they make your workflow smooth, fast, and very professional. Some shortcuts which I use personally daily are Ctrl plus Shift plus L to add or remove filters, Ctrl plus T to convert data into table, Ctrl plus E for flash files, Ctrl plus arrow keys to jump across the data instantly, and Ctrl Shift plus down key to select entire column of data. And there are many more shortcuts that can be used to make you feel like a professional. These are the exact skills that help me go from a very small town to UST and grow in my data analyst career. If you master the skills, your data analyst journey becomes much easier. If you want tutorials on VLOOKUP, pivot tables or data cleaning, let me know in the comments. And if you want Power BI, SQL and real data analyst videos, then please subscribe. I promise we will grow together.